Hi buddy, the three biggest Chinese telecom company is going to be delisted again. Few days ago, a new policy came out, mentioned that these three companies will be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange. And days after, this policy has been withdrawn. And days later, this new policy is being put up again. That means it is confirmed that these three companies will be delisted. So in this video, I will share with you exactly what happened and why the policy keep changing. And lastly, how this policy potentially affect Alibaba and Tencent as well. So firstly, let me share with you the timeline. On 31st December 2020, New York Stock Exchange made the first announcement, mentioned that to delist the three Chinese telecom, namely China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom. CHL, CHA, and CHU. And on 4th January 2021, which is few days ago, New York Stock Exchange mentioned that there's no intention to delist the three Chinese telecom anymore. And on 5th January, which is one day later, New York Stock Exchange made a new turn to go ahead with delisting the three Chinese telecoms. So it is confirmed that on 11 January 2021, the trading of the three Chinese telecoms will be suspended. I know how you feel. You're confused right now about why the policy is being put up and then being withdrawn and being put up again. Why is that so? On 5th January, the New York Stock Exchange reversed course again on Wednesday, saying it will remove China's three major state-run telecommunication companies from the exchange. And the exchange, which is New York Stock Exchange, mainly complying with the US law after receiving the new specific guidance from the Treasury Department Office of Foreign Asset Control. The main reason of why the US regulators want to delist these three companies, namely China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom, is because the White House executive order is banning US investment in these Chinese military-linked companies. Basically, the US regulators suspect or have evidence to show that it has link with the Chinese military. And the US government simply do not want US investors to indirectly contribute to Chinese military through investing in Chinese military related shares. Based on various articles, the US government is worried that the Chinese military will go stronger and stronger through all this indirect funding. And when the Chinese military grows stronger and bigger, it is a threat to US national security as well.
I'd rather not say, but the answer is yes.
And based on various articles and sources, the one that are pushing all these new policies are from Donald Trump's administrations. We all know that Donald Trump is leaving the White House on 20th January 2021. And in my personal opinion, he is doing whatever it takes with his last breath before January 20th to put down China once again.
China, 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 China.
And based on various sources, Donald Trump's administration is considering adding Alibaba and Tencent into the blacklist as well. Buddy, think about it. The combined market capital of Alibaba and Tencent is 1.3 trillion US dollar. So if these two companies is going to be delisted, imagine how many US investors will be affected, because the majority of the people that invest in Alibaba and Tencent is not foreign investors, they are US investors. So think about it. I'm not saying that US regulators should or should not delist Alibaba and Tencent. I'm just saying that these two are the biggest market capital Chinese stocks in New York Stock Exchange currently. So if these two are being removed, many US investors will be affected. And I do not think this is what the US regulators want to see. I'm just very curious to know, you as stock investors, do you wish Alibaba and Tencent to be delisted or stay listed in New York Stock Exchange? Do comment down in the comment section below to share with me, so that we can continue to discuss in the comment section below. Lastly, I also want to share that New York Stock Exchange is one of the most established stock exchange in the world. By putting up policy, withdraw it, and putting up again will definitely hurt its reputation, because right now a lot of companies will think twice before listing in the New York Stock Exchange. And right now investors that want to invest in New York Stock Exchange will think twice, like why does the policy change just like that, and why does the policy just withdraw just like that. So it will definitely hurt their reputation. However, the fact is that US Stock Exchange is still the biggest stock exchange in the world based on market capitalization and volume as well. So what to do? Let's come back to Alibaba and Tencent. Indeed, right now Trump's administration is considering to put Alibaba and Tencent into the blacklist. Let's say you are Alibaba or Tencent shareholder currently. Will you feel worried right now, or will you still continue to stay invested in a company for long term? Do comment down below to share with me as well. Do subscribe to this channel so that I'm able to share with you the latest stock market news and also insights about how you can profit consistently in the stock market in the long term. I will see you in the next video. Hey, buddy, you are still around. Do remember to subscribe, yeah?